In these days of flexible working and schooling, both parents and kids are spending more time under one roof while they are remote working and tele-schooling. A segregated space within the home, in an ambience that emulates an enterprise corner office, is essential, both for family privacy, well-being, and work conduciveness for most sedentary roles. Virtually There Tech presents quality of experience in remote work. Experience the best of both the worlds, life and living. Log into the future of work, now, from anywhere. Tap into wider career prospects from wherever you are, from myKabin platform. Life-work equilibrium. The need for privacy both for working from home parents and other residents of the home including kids is a bilateral requirement, not a mere one-way corporate mandate. Working parents have no business spilling their work all over their homes, living, dining, kitchen, etc., diluting the quality of life of other residents including the kids of their family by imposing workplace-like restrictions on their lifestyle. It's high time to demarcate the zones within homes and continue to contribute more from an immersive work ambience from the comfort of one's own home. Kids need not compromise on their childhood privilege of being noisy or pranky at home or stop playing piano when their parents' boss is calling. Emotional well-being matters. This one-time career enablement investment in home improvement ensures a lifetime freedom from commute stress, location dependence, and distance from family during business hours, boosting your happiness quotient to the next level. Your stress-free, happier working self means better work enablement that eventually translates to best customer experience, deeper job satisfaction, and ultimately to your career progression.